The fleet dashboard can be used by many different people within the organization, but especially for dispatch. So if dispatch is looking for certain trailers in a location, they can simply zoom into that area and see which trailers are available. If they're looking for trailers that are on a specific yard, you can zoom down onto those yards. So if you simply hover over the yard, it'll tell you exactly how many trailers are at that facility. So this one in this example is Penske's Palm River location. There are currently 4 trailers there. It's got an average idle time, so we know how long the trailer's been sitting there. And we also have 25 trailers that are nearby. So the nearby basically looks at which trailers are in that vicinity. They don't necessarily have to be on that yard, but it is specific to trying to find trailers that are in the area. So if we zoom down to one of these locations, for example, I'm going to look at a Coca-Cola facility. It shows that we have 3 trailers there. As I zoom in, we can see those 3 trailers. I can also switch to a satellite view and see specifically where those trailers are within that yard. We can then continue to zoom down and see that there are a couple of them that are in the loading dock. One is sitting out into the trailer location or trailer drop zone. If we click that trailer, then we can then pop up the trailer's dashboard and get a little bit more information about that trailer.